How did you enter the world of mortgages?
How does anybody enter the world? You know, I started this when I was in school trying to figure out what I wanted to be when I grew up, and I just loved it and I was good at it.
My mother was a loan officer, and I always said I would never, ever, ever do what she did. But as I grew up, I realized not only can you be successful, but you can be there for your children and be a family person and have this wonderful career at the same time.
I don't want to say I kind of fell into this industry, but I'm just cut for it. It's perfect for me. I still love helping buyers get into homes, especially the first-time buyers. Those are the most rewarding.
I have never seen collaboration like what we have at UHM. I think that's why we work here, right? It's one of them. It's honest, it's transparent. Iron sharpens iron. We just get in a room and we get to it. Nobody holds anything to their chest. We're all in this to win. And you don't do that by separating yourself.
I think we have the recipe. If you want to be good at it, you have to have other people around you, who have their own piece that they're good at, right? I mean, there's a constant stream of information around so that that's how we do it, or how we do it well, at least. One person can't know it all.
The daily disciplines of doing things the right way, that's my definition of success. And having the results of success financially to not only be able to take care of my needs and my family's needs, but to be able to go out and help other people around me.
We tell every customer you're joining our mortgage family because we really do believe that. Like, it's more than a transaction for us. It's not about a commission. It's about helping as many people as we can.